Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the intro, we're going to do an eyeshadow look today. For this look, I'm going to be using the Jacyln Hill palette, and I know it's an older palette, but it's one of my favorites. To begin, I'm going to be using a white eyeshadow base from NYX. I apply the primer with a brush first and then use my finger to blend it out. If you're wondering why I use white instead of a skin tone primer, it just makes the colors pop more for me. Next, I'm using Fenty's Pro Filter Concealer in 310, and with this I am lining my eyebrows. Now we're just going to blend. For this look, I was going for a natural eyebrow look, and since my eyebrows are pretty much shaped and full on their own, I didn't use any product to start, but I will go in and use an Anastasia eyebrow pencil to fill in some of the bare spots. To finish my brows, I'm going to use clear brow gel from Anastasia to brush out and set the hairs in place. Now we are ready for eyeshadow, and the shade is Creamsicle. I'll be applying this color to the inner corners of my eyes. Now I'm just making sure that they're even. The next color is Twerk. I applied this color to the middle part of my eyes, and I hoped it'd be more blue, but it came out looking more purple. Adding more Creamsicle because I noticed it wasn't as high up as my other eye. Now we're blending the shades together. Going to do the same for the next eye, making sure both match. For the final shade, we're going to use Hunt's, and we're going to apply this to the outside of the eye, creating a wing. Now doing the same to the other eye. I'm using a Q-tip to clean up and better shape my eyeshadow. I usually do my eyeshadow first so that I can fix any mistakes with my foundation and concealer. Foundation and contour. Yes, I'm being cheesy, whatever. Here I'm going to be using Fenty Beauty's new cream blush in shade Summertime Wine. I never really used blush, but I'm really liking this product. It blends out pretty well with a finger or even a brush. It really didn't matter. This is my third time using it and I'm loving it so far. For my highlight, I'm going to use shade Beam, and I like to use shimmery shadows for highlight because it gives me a variety of colors and it's totally fine to use. We're gonna highlight to the gods. Next, I'll be moving back to the eyeshadow with a detail brush, and here I'm just going to better shape out the wing so that they're even on both sides. After I finished shaping out the shadow, I went in with a blending brush to blend out the harsh lines. Now I'm just putting some eyeshadow under the eye. Here come the lashes. I wasn't satisfied with my eyebrows, so I needed to do some filling using the Tarte Amazonian Clay Eye Powder. This powder is my go-to brow product, so if you're ever wondering what I used on my brows, it's either this or the Anastasia eyebrow pencil that I used earlier in the video. Last but not least, lip gloss. And here's the final look. I hope you guys like this tutorial. Like, comment, and subscribe. Also follow my Instagram, it'll be tagged below. I'll see you next time. Bye!